afternoon. How are you this afternoon? Okay, now I want to ask about the days in a week. Do you know how many days in a week?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
Okay. Can you mention the name of the day?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. What are they?
There are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay. What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Okay. What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Tuesday.
Okay. What day was before yesterday?
Today was Monday.
Okay. Okay. What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Okay. What day is after tomorrow?
After tomorrow is Friday.
Okay. How many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
Okay. What day is holiday?
Friday is Saturday.
11 phones have been